The HP Essential 17 touchscreen laptop is built for those who need serious power screen space and all-day productivity in one stylish device. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this laptop in the description below at the latest price. This 17.3-inch powerhouse combines sleek design with professional performance, making it an ideal choice for students, creators, business professionals, and everyday users alike. At the heart of this HP laptop is the AMD Ryzen 5 processor with 6 cores optimized for performance through AI enhancements. Whether you're multitasking with large spreadsheets, editing videos, coding, or enjoying smooth gameplay, this processor delivers consistently reliable speed and responsiveness. Coupled with AMD Radeon Graphics, visuals are detailed, fluid, and immersive whether you're in a virtual meeting or binge-watching your favorite series. The 17.3-inch HD plus BrightView touchscreen is where this laptop really shines. Its slim bezel and vibrant resolution provide a wide, immersive viewing experience perfect for productivity and entertainment alike. The large screen makes multitasking seamless, especially when paired with the massive 64GB DDR4 RAM. You can run multiple programs, browsers, and background apps all at once without the laptop breaking a sweat. Storage won't be a concern either. With a total of 2.5 terabyte space, comprised of a lightning-fast 2 terabytes PCIe SSD and an additional 512 gigabytes from the included docking station. You get rapid boot times, ultra-quiet operation, and all the room you need for files, media, and software. It's a setup built for the future, with enough flexibility to handle expanding digital needs. Designed with portability in mind, this silver-finished laptop maintains a sleek and durable form while including all the essentials. The full-size keyboard with a 10-key number pad makes data entry and long typing sessions more efficient. And for communication and entertainment, the built-in wide-vision HD camera, dual-array microphones, and stereo speakers ensure clear video calls and quality audio. With the latest Windows 11 Pro and a lifetime Office suite pre-installed, you'll have access to business-grade tools out of the box. Connectivity is comprehensive with super-speed USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, Bluetooth 5, and fast Wi-Fi 6, along with an 8-in-1 docking station offering SD card and Ethernet ports. Whether you're at home, in class, or at the office, the HP Essential 17 is designed to keep up with your pace.